Hey y'all.
What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
All right. So y'all, in this design, we are gonna have our oval. Then we're gonna put our sign up here at a little angle. Then we're gonna build out down this way. So we're gonna go ahead and put a staple in the top two corners, and then two down here. All right, so I put the hot glue. Now I'm just gonna tie it off in there. So we stapled, we hot glued. We're going to attach it. Y'all, I want to leave a little bit of the grapevine showing on the top. All right, but I am gonna make it where it's hanging over the edge just a little bit. All right, so I grabbed the first plant. Well, maybe. There we go. All right, y'all, now I'm gonna use this one to kind of outline where I want everything to be. So I'm gonna start with one up here above the sign. All right, so I'm picturing this as a giant C. So I am picturing a little bit of greenery back on this side. All right, now we're gonna start filling in the gap between this one and this one. And I wanna keep in mind that overall shape. All right, y'all, now I'm gonna go with another greenery stem. All right, we're gonna take these and we're gonna just fluff them out and see what we're working with. Y'all, I chose this greenery mainly because it had so many different leaves on it. It's gonna add a really cool variation and texture without having to add a whole bunch of plants. All right, y'all, and these I'm gonna place right here on the top. Well, I'm gonna place them on the top of the grapevine to kind of help fill in the area. All right, look how that filled in, y'all. All right, now this one is gonna be right up here at the top. All right, y'all, these also have these long twigs out here. The whole twig is wired. So on these, I would definitely like wrap them with the finger a little bit. That way they don't just stick straight out. All right, let's get this one here. All right, so see how this one, I separated it out to kind of make it get that little moon shape? I did that because I wanted to start filling in this gap right here. All right, we're just gonna get this fluffed out. All right, so we built out down this way. Now we need to come up here at the top. Y'all, before we add our florals, I want to do the bow. So we're gonna start with about I don't know, let's get a pretty long tail because it might be, who knows. We're gonna give it a good little twist. All right, we're gonna go out about 7 inches. Y'all, and all these loops are gonna be about the same size. All right, so we did 3 loops on both sides. Now we're gonna do 2 on both sides. All right, and then we're gonna do 1 right in the center. All right, we're gonna take our pipe cleaner. The center loop was a little bit smaller, but all the other loops were about the same size. All right, now I'm gonna put this right down here where the bow doesn't cover the Amen. All right, so right now the bow, a few of the loops kind of cover the sign. All right, y'all, now I'm gonna pull some of my loops down and some of those greens forward. Right, I wanna make it look like it's all part together. Dovetail. See how it looks like it was just meant to be there? So I want to get a little bit of white. All right, so y'all, I broke that cherry blossom all the way down to 1 single stem. I'm gonna break it again. There's a big gap between this leaf and this leaf, And I want to put it at the top. And I don't want that random gap between these two pieces. Right? So I wanted to get that white flower there, and I want another one up here without a giant gap between the two pieces. All right, so on the white, I want to make sure that I've got color going all the way around. All right, so see how when you look right here, all the white pieces are close to the center? We want to make sure that we get some a little bit further out so that your eye kind of walks with the project. So now we want to start filling down some of the bottom. All right, now down here, I don't mind that gap as much because we can hide it between other greenery. All right, so y'all, on these, all I'm gonna do is put hot glue right on the tip, and then I'm going to work it right into the bow.